So I got this fifth wheel, 42 footer, doing scissor jack replacement, upgrade. Okay, these things used to be mounted perpendicular to the frame, going in this direction right here, okay, right in front of the wheel. So if there's a wheel blowout, you know, it's going to wrap around, it's going to smash into the jack, it's going to bust it off, and then probably the trailer is going to run over it and going to blow out the next couple wheels. But anyhow, what I decided to do here was I went with these pipe weld drop leg trailer jacks, 3,500 pounds, okay? I pretty much put them in the same places where the scissor jacks were. Modification I did was I cut off the handle and welded a nut on so I can use an impact wrench, okay? So basically, I got this jack that's mounted here. It swings away, okay? I've got it mounted, all four of them. So now, when I want to level, okay, rather than bringing boards or buying all these rocking roller things or whatever you want to call them, Anderson, Camcos, whatever, here's the jacks we got here, okay? And these things are 3,500 pounds. This is a 15,000 pound trailer. So this side right here, these two jacks are 7,000 pounds. Plus I got the drop down gear in the front. Okay, so when I pull into a site now, basically what I'm gonna do, it doesn't matter how off level it is I just pull in and drop my trailer, get it off my truck. Okay, then the goal is gonna be to get the back level close to it and to get this side pretty much level. Okay, once that takes place, okay, I can get the back level, this side level. Then if something needs to come up or down on the other side, simply I took out the bolt, I put a pin in here so I can just pull this out and have these be independent. Pull off my shaft, so now I can raise or lower this leg here only on the front with my electric motor, okay? So now just this one will move, so I can adjust my front this direction, and then when I got it good this way, then I can raise the whole thing up or down, or it should actually theoretically be level then. So, and talk about stability, you got these drop fronts up here, you got that nice beautiful jack back there, you got this jack over here. You don't need any boards, nothing.